Why should I see an ACCID doctor right away? Doctors for Accidents specializes in connecting people in your position with accident doctors. Contact Doctors for Accidents today. Contacting an accident doctor following an accident should be one of the things at the top of your priority list. Unlike your standard primary care physician, an accident doctor knows precisely how to document the injuries resulting from an accident in a way that will assist your claim when it goes to court, and will have far more experience in engaging with the courts in relation to accidents than your average primary care physician. Given the complexities involved in securing treatment and obtaining a legal settlement following an accident, we recommend contacting us here to locate an accident doctor with a demonstrated interest in and experience of caring for those injured following a car accident. The accident doctors we work with are well placed to treat common ailments following a car accident, such as soft tissue injuries and whiplash. Contact us at info@doctorsforaccidents.com.